Hello, in today's video we would like to show how you can add the people on Telegram. So the first way to do that is to add them to your actual phone contact list, and upon doing so, the user that you have just added the phone number of to the contact list. So in here, it will appear at your contacts on Telegram section, right here. There is also the way to add somebody by their Telegram username. So if you want to do that, just tap on this loop icon at the search bar, tap in or paste the person's username, as I've mentioned. In here, just open up the chat with this person, go to the user details, and at the user details page, tap on the three dots and choose the add to contacts function. After that, you will be able to enter the custom name and custom surname for this particular user or for this particular person, which will be visible for you. And as you can see, it is written right here that once this person adds me as the contact as well, I will be able to see its phone number. So I'll add it to the contacts, and that will be pretty much it. As you will see now, this person has just appeared at my contacts on Telegram section. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.